Hi my loves, and welcome back as part of my From Ordinary to Fab home series, where I show you how to take an ordinary home and transform it into a luxury home. I'm going to be sharing with you how to create and decorate a luxe dining room. I'm so excited to get to partner with Bravo TV on this video. If you're new here, my name is Angel and I share everything lifestyle, from home decor and DIY projects to fashion and beauty. So if they interest you, don't forget to subscribe and follow along. In my previous video, I shared with you how to design and shop for major furniture pieces. Today I'm going to share with you how to decorate a dining room with some amazing home decor accessories. Decorating can sometimes come as a challenge, especially if you're not on the creative or visionary side in general. Trust, it's been a process for me as well. Before I begin decorating any room, I have to get an idea of what I want and what I'm looking for. A great way to find inspiration is online with blogs as well as TV shows. One way you can get some major inspo is with Bravo home and design content. I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but Bravo is pushing some major home decor content both online as well as on TV on their network. They have some new shows airing on Bravo: Get a Room with Carson and Tom, Buy and Get Blind, and Sweet Home. Online you can find even more inspiring home decor content and some amazing home tours. I don't know about you, but I love home tours. Like, I can watch home tours all day long. So they definitely have some major ones that you have to go check out. Like, they're so sweet. I will leave links below so you can check out some of their amazing content. Be sure to click the drop down box if you're watching from mobile so you can see all the links. Once you've gathered your inspiration and decided on what type of room you want to create, then you start shopping for the pieces that's gonna match what you have in mind. Like I mentioned, I'm going for a glam dining room, so I wanted all of my accessories to fit the furniture that I'd purchased. So let me show you what I got. So let's start with the table. On top of the console table, I have two lamps that I purchased from Lamps Plus. I like the fact that they're chrome and crystal. I will again try to leave links to everything that I can find below in the description box. And the angel wings I actually purchased from Z Gallery. I really love the angel wings, guys. It's a really big and nice size, and I love the textures made of it, but it's really lightweight. And then I also purchased this painting from Ross, and I think it just fits really good into the space and matches appropriately. And moving on to the candle holders, I also purchased from Z Gallery. I really adore these. They're mirrored, they're really tall, and I think they go great on this mirrored dining table. I also picked up this flower from Ross, and I got it in the color of red just to give a little bit of a pop of color in this room. It's like a red orchid, and it's in a silver pot, which matches in with the decor. For my table settings, I picked up all of the table settings from Home Goods and Tuesday Mornings. I got silver placemats and silver plates and silver napkins, as well as the rings for the napkins, and I just layered it. On top of my buffet table, I have a marble tray with two candles sitting on top of it. The marble tray and the two candles both all came from Ross. And then next to it, I have 3 decor books, a Tom Ford, a Chanel, and Dior book. I purchased all of these from Amazon. I will leave links below. And then next to it, I have a white orchid flower in a silver pot, which I think just looks amazing in this space. I really love how the decor all comes together to give me a glam room. It's very modern, it's very luxe. The light fixture also just sets it off. I really adore the light fixture. If you would like to know where I purchased all of my furniture from, be sure to check out my previous video where I shared all of that information. I just really adore this room. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I have tons of other home decor videos, so be sure to go check those out. And if you would like to see how this house looked before absolutely any furniture was in it, be sure to go watch the empty house tour.